All right, everyone. Welcome back to another devlog for my dream game, MMORPG, Magickness. Now, last time we left off, last two times, because I kind of forgot what we were doing the time before, whatever. Anyways, we're working on bringing new loops. We've got the digging mechanic, the digging loop, where we can gain digging XP, and we gain a material, dirt, or dirt clump. We have trees and rocks, harvestable trees and mineable rocks, but we didn't have the tools. So, using gathering materials, simple basic gathering materials I can pick up off the terrain, you can craft tools. So, we've made progress. Let's get into it. And keep in mind, I'm testing everything on PC and mobile. I can't show you the mobile version yet. Well, I could, but it'd be a lot more work, and I already have a lot of doing right now. We're just doing this. But I am testing it simultaneously on mobile. I'm just not showing you it. So, boom. Yeah. Whoa. There's more trees. Am I missing a rock? There's supposed to be a third rock here. Floating sticks. I'm going to see that for a while until I backtrack and fix the floating sticks. So just to prove we are online, cross-platform, I like to bring in our mobile test character. Gotta sign in. Let me in. That's what he looks like when he's loading for now. And mobile is in there, and the buttons work too. Oh wait, I gotta look this way. So just to prove, well, you have to position it a certain way. So you have to figure that out too. Like, why? There he is. Bam! They're getting like a sweet spot. Oh, you can't see his, okay, so found a bug. So, PC can't see our Android player's stone hammer. So I'll have to fix that. But we have alignable the wrong button. Move back in. Okay. Alright. That wasn't too bad. It was only one whole minute. Okay. So you can unequip it. Alright, unequip doesn't work. Not a bug. We have our quick craft menu. Stone axe. We're going to craft that real quick. And we got XP uploaded up in the background there. We have. Oh yeah, I made everything bigger. If you can't tell, I was tired of squinting that stuff. So right click. We're interactive here. I need to fix this because this is a material. It doesn't need to have use. What are going to use it for? You need to either drop or split. Okay. So yeah. We have our abilities that we saw. Upgradable. We have our skills on display now, which we still need to wire into top profession, should say mining. Stat tree. Our placeholder for the character display. So we're progressing here. You can see while we're building tools and gaining materials, introducing materials into the game. These are called crafting loops. And let's see, 26 did the oh, interesting. Looks like the inventory on that tree is persisting now rather than resetting. Let's see what happens over here. +1 vine when we went up. Let's see, our sticks at 39. 41. Dig. Getting digging XP. So digging with your bare hands. I think I'm gonna leave it kind of sloppy like this, because you have to like center the screen on your target for the impression into the terrain. I'm gonna leave it messy like that because it's gonna get better when we have tools. So I'm gonna try and make when we do get around to farming tools, make the digging a lot more precise. Yeah, for some reason his looks better. Whatever. Gotta find the sweet spot. There it is. This is what happens when you mine. Let's check. We have 4 flint. Now we have 5. So how do you get flint? From mining rocks with your stone hammer that you crafted from vine, stick, and stone. So now, what's coming up next is where, what? Oh, interesting. So I'm thinking we should probably assign this assignment slot window to tool items, so that way we can manually assign them to slots 1 through 5 on the tool belt. This is your tool belt, 5 slots. So I'm thinking about that. That way it makes this cleaner. I was kind of surprised how that happened. I thought I was going to go to I thought that was going to stay there and that was going to go there. I don't know, whatever just happened was weird. So, yeah, we'll look into that later. But we can do stuff. And you see that? We're gaining crafting XP. We're at 30. 40. Okay. So I'm thinking at level 2, we're going to bring in more quick craft. So we're going to create categories, tools, and then we're going to do, I don't know, building or something, so you can build something later. Oh, no, we do clothes next. Clothes. So we're going to add we're going to wire in the axe. Then I'm going to do the battle stick, because you need a weapon. And then we're going to do the first magic ability, because I need to get that in there. Then we'll do clothes. We'll get there eventually. Alright. As always, we are only building up from here. Till next time, stay magical.